Good evening, friends. Welcome to our channel, Bull Run Trading. We will discuss how to build our portfolio. The 10 rules of investing in stocks. The better portfolio creation, you have to analyze this. First one, avoid the hard mentality. Do not invest in what you understand. Do invest what you understand. Do not invest on the business on your topic, and do not do the up before investment, and do not try to time the market. Do invest according to your financial goals. Do not let emotionals get the better of your hard mentalities. So these are avoid to hard mentality. And second one, take informative decisions. For this, you have to make your informed and analyze decisions. For that, proper research should always be undertaken before investing in your stock, but that really rarely done. Investors generally go by the name of a company or the industrial along with to, however, not right way of your putting money into the stock market. Okay, don't try to don't try to invest on company name. You have to analyze first. Next, invest your in business you understand. First, they are what they are doing, and next, what is their goals and future targets, and what is the revenue and cost and profits last 3 quarters, and next future plans and future products, future projects they are doing, they are going to do, and what is their plans. You have to analyze up to 30 and 40 years future. So Warren Buffett never invest in a business you cannot understand. So business you can't understand, you never invest any stocks in stock market. Okay, you have to understand the business. For of course, Elon Musk doing some rockets. Why they are doing in future plan? They plan a future. That's why Warren Buffett says never invest in a business you cannot understand. Next, don't try to time the market. Means you cannot fully on the market only. On the same, Warren Buffett also wants some warning to Warren Buffett also, but they also trying to do that, but does not happen. So all those have a very strong view on the price levels, approximately to individual shares. A majority of investors, however, do just a opposite, something that financial planners have always been warning them to avoid, and thus lost their hard-earned money in this process. So don't try to time the market. Don't spend more time in market. That means more time. Don't invest your time on market. You have to build a long business and long portfolio. Okay, Warren Buffett also some difficulties over here. One thing that even Warren Buffett does not do is to try to time stock market. So he also invest more time on market. He is successful, but don't invest full time on market. Okay. Next, follow a disciplined investment approach. Historically, it has been witnessed that even great bulls also having some panic situation, panic movements, volatility, some losses, money disciplines, great bulls and runs in disciplined manner. However, the investments who put the money systematically, how to invest systematically, right shares and held on their investment potentially, okay, potentially have been seen the generating outstanding returns. So you have to follow the disciplined manner, disciplined approach, disciplined investment approach. Okay. So next, do not let emotions cloudy your judgment. Many investors have been losing money in stock market due to their inability to control emotions. Okay, they have to control your emotions first, and particularly fear the wind in the bull market. So sometimes you get emotional, but don't emotional things, don't get any cloudy judgments on your judgments, please, and control your emotions in your stock market investment. So this is very difficult to resist. Okay, you have to maintain your minimum emotional. The leads and them to speculate, buy shares of unknown companies, or create heavy positions in future segment without really understanding the risk involved, says Kapoor. So you have to maintain the risk. Okay, risk involved, where is involved, you have to judge the emotion. So don't go to cloud your judgments. Okay, next, create a portfolio. You have to create your portfolio like large cap, large revenue, small cap, small revenue, small values, and investing in different portfolios. So you have to create the consolidation asset allocation. Okay, consolidation asset allocation and diversified asset allocation. Two types you have to build. Okay, one is diversified asset allocation and consolidation allocation. Okay, diversify of your portfolio across assets, classes, and judgments is the key factor to earn optimum returns on investment with minimum risk. What you call minimum risk level of diversifying depends on each investor's risk taking capacity. So this is very key point to build your portfolio. So first you build your portfolio and you have to invest only 60%, balance 40% you have to keep in your demat account to build further portfolio. Okay, have realistic expectations. So you have to you if you invest any money in what you call the stock market, there is nothing worry with the hoping of best from your investment, but you could be heading for trouble in if your financial goals are based on unrealistic assumptions. So please be very careful. You will get definitely 50% returns and bull run of market. So recently 50% has gained from what you call after lockdown. Okay. However, it is does not mean that you should always expect the same kind of return from the stock market. There, there before, when Warren Buffett says that earning more than 12% in stock market purely dumb luck, and you laugh at it. Okay, you are surely investing trouble of yourself. Okay, you have to see this. What you call have realistic expectation. Your expectation should be in a realistic way. Okay, invest only your surplus funds. Okay, don't get money on interest putting into the stock market. Don't try to do that. You have to invest your own money that will be that will be very better for you. If you want to take risk in volatility market like this, then see whether you have surplus funds which you can afford to lose. It is not necessary that you will lose money in present scenario. Your investments can give you huge gain to in the months to come. So you have to wait, you have to maintain your emotions and patience. That's why I was saying invest only your surplus funds. Next, monitor regulates. Okay, we are living in a global village. Any important event happening, okay, important event happening in any party of the world has been impact of your financial market. So you have, hence we need to constantly monitor your portfolio and keep affecting the designed changes, desired changes in it. So you have to maintain your portfolio with compare with the latest news and what globally changes, like oil changes, gold changes, whatever impact things you have to monitor regularly. So thanks for watching. This is Ram Kumar. Kindly do subscribe and share. Thanks. Please kindly forward. I will make more videos every time for your better creation wealth. So thanks friend. Thanks for watching. You have to subscribe and share and like. Thanks.